This is my second video describing the sound coming from my rear derailleur. I thought I would do a little bit of better job of showing some of the details. The pulleys were smooth, round. These are not worn down, they were originally round. And it's my belief that the links slapping against the pulley as they wind their way through is what's creating the source of the noise. The alignment of the cage is always something that's of interest for tracking down noise, and I'm hoping to show here that I have the chain as close to straight aligned with the chain ring as possible. The tool, this is a Pedro's chain guide, is not exactly lined up, I suppose, with where the sprockets would be, but it's a good approximation. And naturally, this derailleur dates back to around 1972, so it is not perfectly straight, which may be the source of some of the noise, but I would say not all of it. And now we'll hear a little bit of some of what I'm calling a clacking. Maybe some of it comes from up here, but this is the sound that I had when the wheel was mounted. And it was based on this sound that I wanted to investigate further. The question was asked whether I'm having any interference with the cage, and I think you can see the answer is no, not really. At least it's easy for me to tell in person. So anyway, my result is I'm replacing this derailleur anyway, but I thought I would just add this to my own thread on this bicycle and kind of determine where I've been. At least this is a good before, and we'll see what it's like after.